In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic invoicing in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. This is where you'll manage customers, invoices, payments, and billing settings. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and ready to work in the dashboard environment where your invoicing tools are located. Next, look over to the left sidebar and click on Customers. This section is where Stripe stores your customer profiles, including billing history and saved payment methods. From here, you can choose the customer you want to invoice. Now, open an existing customer if the person or business is already in your account. If not, go ahead and create a new customer profile. It's important to make sure the customer record is accurate, since this information connects directly to the invoice and the payment collection process. Once you're inside the customer profile, click Create Invoice. This opens the invoice editor, where you'll build the charge you want to send. Stripe makes this process fairly straightforward, and this is the key area where you define what the customer is being billed for. After that, add the products or invoice items you want to bill. Be careful here to enter the correct items, quantities, pricing, and any other relevant details. A clear and accurate invoice helps avoid confusion and makes it easier for both you and your customer to track the payment. In the payment collection section, choose Charge Automatically, which may also appear as Auto Charge Payment Method depending on your setup. This is the setting that enables Stripe to collect payment automatically instead of waiting for the customer to manually pay the invoice. Before moving on, confirm that the customer has a saved payment method attached to their profile. This step is essential because automatic invoicing only works if Stripe has a valid payment method it can charge. If there isn't one saved, the invoice won't be collected automatically. Once that's confirmed, review the invoice details carefully and click Finalize Invoice. Finalizing locks in the invoice and prepares it for collection based on the settings you selected. This is a good time to double-check amounts, item descriptions, and the billing customer before proceeding. After the invoice is finalized, Stripe will automatically charge the customer's saved payment method according to the invoice settings. In other words, the system takes over the collection process for you, which can save time and reduce manual follow-up. Finally, head to the Invoices section to monitor the invoice status and confirm that the payment was collected successfully. This helps you verify whether the charge went through and keeps your records up to date. Thanks for watching.